Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix USB or external drive detected but not showing up in Windows 11, 10. Type disk partition in Windows search bar, click Create and format hard disk partitions. Right-click USB, click Change Drive Letter and Paths. Add any drive letter. Second method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Universal Serial Bus Controllers, right-click your storage device, click Uninstall, after uninstall, click Actions, click Scan for hardware changes. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.